Hi there guys, it's me, Lamer Gamer, hope you're all doing well. Just to recap on what happened on the last PC build update, we managed to build around about 3/4 of the PC and then we ran out of power. So now, we're here to finish the job, we're here to install Windows, and we're here to boot it up and see how cool it looks with all that lovely RGB lights. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, so it's round 2 for the build of the Lamer Gamer PC. And once again, we are joined by the Mr. Miyagi of gaming, Caruso. He's chosen to opt for silence because he's so excited to carry on building this. So anyway, let's carry on with some more
cable management.
So the reason we had to stop last time was because we ran out of power supplies to all of our kit. What we forgot was that each of the fan units needs power, all the RGB needs power, the liquid cooler needs power. We just forgot about power, okay? Move on. So we ran out of SATA supplies. So what we did is we went on Amazon and for about £2, we picked up one of these. Then we realised we needed another one. So we got 2 of these. And just in case we didn't have enough, we now have 3 of them. What these are SATA power supply splitters. So they take one output and they split it into 2. Let's see how this goes. So now we're going to put in the little plate that keeps all the cables safe inside the unit. Now we got to turn it on. Just plugging it all in. We have PC, keyboard, mouse. Okay, so now it is time for the first power on of the PC. Finger is ready. And in 3, 2, 1. Fantastic start.
Quality.
Let's find out what's going on. Caruso, how many plugs did you plug in?
Oh, there's a hidden one. Yeah, that's it. Sleeve.
Ooh, the LEDs have come on. That's pretty cool. We've just put power onto it, and as you can see, the Razer LED lights have already turned on. Time for the first turn on again. At this point, we turned the camera off because we were starting to get quite frustrated with why things weren't turning on. If you can remember back in the previous video, Caruso pointed out that there is a point in the motherboard manual that shows you where all the little cables and connections need to go from the case to the motherboard. Unfortunately, like he did also mention, is that the pins on it are
Really tiny and annoying at the bottom.
and unfortunately we did put it in the wrong point. Only by 1 space, but it meant all the difference, which also meant that we couldn't turn the PC on. So we then unplugged it, plugged it into the correct hole, which was just 1 little bit across, and then this happened. Okay, so now we're going to try and turn on the case. As you can see, the LED lights from the Razer technology is already on. Let's now see if the rest comes to life. Whoa!
Oh my god. It looks so good.
Wow. Oh my god. Move your mouse really quickly. Oh my god. So now the build's been done, it's now a case of plugging it in and playing with it.
Ta-da!
So we'd installed Windows and the PC was up and running, and as you can see it looks amazing, even if I do say so myself. Although we didn't stop there. Oh no, there were still more things we could put RGB on, and in this case we were going to put our Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM into the unit. So the first thing I needed to do was remove my existing Corsair RAM units. This can be easily done by pushing back on the pins on the top and bottom of either stick of RAM, like so. Once the first stick of RAM's been removed, the second one's removed just as easy. Once all the pre-existing RAM's been removed, you then go on to use your new RAM. For my build, I'm going to use 4 lots of 8GB RAM from the Corsair Vengeance range, and yes, you guessed it, they all come with RGB LEDs in them. And now to turn the PC on. Time for a nice slow sweep across the PC with the cover off. So thank you very much for watching me build this PC from literally parts that I ordered on eBuyer and various other online websites to turning it into what I hope is the beast it is today. I'm looking forward to playing some online games including Overwatch, Sea of Thieves, Call of Duty, Rainbow Six Siege. There's also some really good single player games out there like Red Dead Redemption 2 that I want to try and push the graphics and the processing power on the PC with. But I really do feel like this journey has helped me learn a bit more about PCs, most likely what not to do with them rather than what to do with them, including count your power supplies and that cable management can be an absolute nightmare. It took us a good 3 hours to get it to where we wanted it, and already I'm thinking about the next thing I want to do with this PC. But for the meantime, it is perfect for me. It's got loads of RGB that I can customize and do what I want with it, and I really want to say thank you to Caruso for helping me build this PC, because without him I'd still be looking at the boxes with my hands on my face like this.
Oh my god, I'm gonna ruin this PC and spend loads of money and blow it up.
But I didn't. And obviously if you like this video and you want to see more like it and follow me on my journey from lamer to gamer, please feel free to subscribe and follow me, and don't forget to hit the little bell if you're a YouTube follower. Otherwise find me on Twitch, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and I'm there. In the meantime, take care and I'll see you online. Cheers.